If you were to ask me, what is appearance to you, Ajeerah? Well, for me, appearance includes all parts of you, the inner as well as on the outside. Your appearance reflects on who you are. It's the way you represent yourself, the first thing someone sees, and how people would judge you on the first impressions. So a well-done appearance will certainly create a strong confidence as well as makes people look up on you. Moreover, in our field, in the publication field where we are dealing with the public in our line of work, so it is important and vital for us to look better always. You're not going to arrive at work looking like this, with your hair looking like you have just rolled out of bed, with sloppy clothes that are too loose or too tight, with rumpled and dirty untucked shirts and video shoes, right? Proper grooming and a professional appearance are important to gain respect in the workplace. So what is exactly a good appearance? Let me walk you through. But before I forget, let me introduce myself. My name is Ajeerah. Welcome back to my channel. Dress to impress. Does appearance matters? So in our topic today, there are a few questions I need you to ask yourself, like, what is my style? What type of clothing do I like? What type of shoes do I need? Or what are the things that I need to do to enhance my already beautiful self? Comes the next segment, which is the what says you. So in this segment, we'll see how Alif and Alya define the meaning of appearance to them.
Bestie, let me tell you a little secret, but it will not be a secret after I tell you this. Appearance is very important and vital in a person because you have that wow factor that attracts people to look at you right away. What makes you think you're not in love? People can fall in love at the first sight by your appearance. So bestie, dress to impress.
If you look good, you'll feel good. Basically, looking good and looking neat will help you boost your confidence and self-esteem, which is a very big part of being a PR student. You looking all neat and pretty and handsome would impress someone in social situations.
For me, beauty is as equal important as health. The more healthy that we are, the more beautiful that we are. The way you feed yourself with good things, it will make your body healthier and the more your skin will shine. Hey, so I've been drinking Inner Shine Essence for quite some time. So it really works wonders and magic to my skin. It clears up all of my acne and my acne scars because it's packed with vitamin A, C and zinc. So it really gives glow to your skin, and I think you really should have tried it, and this has been my beauty secret for the longest time. When you start taking care of your appearance, you will feel good about yourself. You will feel confident, and likes attract likes. So you will be attracting good things. Because a good skin makes you a lot more attractive and improve your overall appearance. I would like to take you with me on a simple get ready with me video which makes you to kickstart on a better appearance. Hi, so I will start by prepping my skin with Laura Mercier Hydrating Primer and then proceed to NARS Sheer Glow Foundation in the code Fiji. So this is my favorite foundation because it really full coverage, and I will blend it with my foundation brush from Tarte. And then I'm going to move on with the Fit Me Maybelline, which is a medium coverage concealer that you can find in any drugstore near your house, and it's really affordable and it really works wonders for my makeup. I will blend it with Beauty Blender. So next is baking time. So we will bake our skin with Laura Mercier Loose Powder. It really works magic to your makeup. Please get it, bestie. And then next, so I have a kind of thick eyebrows, so I don't really use pencil or any makeup powder. So I will just conceal my eyebrow just following the line, and I will be trimming it once in a while. And yeah, so that's for my eyebrow routine. Here comes my favorite part. So I'll be using the Mercury Retrograde Huda Beauty palette for my eyeshadow in this tutorial. So we'll be adding some pale pink color pastel on the crease of my eyes and just gonna blend it all over. And then I'll be adding some stronger pink. The one is more bold than the previous color, and I'm gonna blend it on the outer corner of my eyes using the eyeshadow brush. It's gonna take some time, but you get there. Just blend it. So I really love shimmer and glitter, so I really often use them in my makeup, daily makeup. So using the same palette, I'll take like a white glittery and I'm gonna put it as on top of my eyeshadow. It really pop up your whole look. So these days I really love to use the eyeliner in a dark brown color. So I use the pencil pen from Silky Girl in a dark brown shade. So I'm gonna clean up the mess. To add some dimension to your eyes, add some bold pink color in the down part of your eyes. Using the same glitter, I will add some to the inner corner of my eyes. Next, I'll be using the V-shaped duo stick Maybelline to contour my face. So it's really easy to use instead of the powder one. So I'll be blending the color with the blending brush. It really takes some time to really get that defined, sharp looking jaw and nose, but you'll get there. And yeah, don't forget our powder. I'm using the Studio Fix Max powder all over my foundation to make it stay for a longer time. Next, I'm using the Max blusher. You can use any type of blusher, but this is personally favorite of mine. Next, the lip part. I use the NYX Soft Matte Lip in the coat Canvas. And then the lip gloss. This is my favorite. I'm using the Dior Addict Lip Volumalizer. Don't forget to curl your eyelashes before adding some mascara. I use the Alento mascara and it's really affordable and it's really good. Really add volume to your eyelashes. If you have a shorter eyelash, you should use this. And then the MAC setting spray. And you're done. This is the final look. Good luck! We have come to the end of the video on PR POV. Does appearance matters? So this is a video on how to improve your appearance on a PR POV. So don't forget to like, leave your comments down below and subscribe to my channel. See you soon. Bye!